Really? Yeah.
So I notice you guys are doing a lot of talking here, not cutting paper.
Oh, no.
It's all instructions.
It's all instructions.
Yeah.
How many instructions do you need to?
Lot.
Go ahead, see if you can make that a straight cut.
Okay. This is my first one, so.
You've been here for an hour.
This thing is not working very good. There, I found a spot.
I see some in there haven't even been opened. We don't close it.
Maybe that'd be better, huh? Yeah, my mother's brother had to kill one Japanese in a foxhole when he was.
Where'd Ellen go?
I don't know. He needs to get back here and get on his job. You know, this is not good.